Which master's year? First year or second year?
I only have 1 year.
Left.
No,
I
only
mean,
1 year.
in general, masters, 1 year.
Yeah,
Ah,
the total program 1 year.
what's your major?
Public policy.
Is it same for all masters?
No, only public policy.
1 year. Ah, it's safe, I guess. Yeah, of course. I just like recorded. So you're saying you are like kind of choose Hong University. Why exactly? Why exactly like Hong Kong University, not this one?
Cause how to say? Don't record it, right? Don't record.
Teaching. You study here masters
Yes.
in public science?
No. Policy.
Damn, it's School of AI. Yeah, it's School of AI.
They including a lot of different major here.
Ah,
So that's gonna be over here.
different campus or dormitory?
Just dormitory part, but different campus. Over here.
Which one? You study here. Ah, yeah.
I also go to like class with the places of the year or
No English.
something. Yes,
Or-
maybe they have to know.
For example, for one university, how many canteens?
Like 7 or 8 because like
Damn, 7 or 8?
yeah because we have the
Too many students? Or
I don't know maybe they just like canteens. We have the upper campus where we have dormitory there and like every dorm they have one canteen approximately. So like maybe that's the reason we have a lot of canteen.
see. These are fake ones, so we cannot take that one. Have you read any books from library ever?
Yeah, like for literature, just for recreation. Or,
Recreation?
or, yeah, because literature is kind of my interest. So
Ah.
just read some.
So I can just, I have some stuff I can just go connect my laptop or Ah, okay. So it's your second year. How is your it's like? No, little, super little, super little.
Yeah. Because we actually don't want to.
So okay.
Yeah, show.
А мастерс ты кем хочешь делать?
Я. Основное.
А они здесь нормально стоят? Наверное, тоже очень вкусно.
Это один магазин, что ли?
Да. О, это вот то, что мы вчера ели. Где курица? 你好，到你吃。